Welcome dear students. I am SL Sangre working as a lecturer in KK Wagh Polytechnic Nasik. In this video I am going to explain the course C programming language and course code for this is 22218. Course outcome for this course are interpret the basic code of C, implement decision making in C programming, use arrays and string in C programming, use functions in C program for modular programming approach, use pointers to increase efficiency of program, implement basic concepts of structure in C. Now let us see. In this video, I am going to explain Unit 1, that is Overview of C Programming, and marks weightage for this is 10 marks, and it is related to first CO, that is Interpret the basic code of C. Now first see the C program structure. Let us take the example of Hello World example. Okay, a C program basically consists of the following parts like processor commands, functions, variables, statements and expression comments. So there are different types of variables, functions, statement, comments, and all of these are made a program. Let's see this simple program to print hello world. So include integer main. Here is a printf function which print the hello world, and at the output screen we see the message hello world. Now let us see the compile and execute C program. Simple steps to save and run the program. Open a text editor and add the above mentioned code. Save the file as a hello.c. So we have to use extension .c. Open a command prompt and go to the dictionary where you have saved the file. Type gcc hello.c and press enter to compile your code. If there are no error in your code, the command prompt will take you to the next line and would generate a.out executable file. Now type a.out to execute your program. You will see the output hello world printed on the screen, and that is nothing but your output. Now, what is a compiler? A compiler is a computer program that transforms source code written in the programming language into another computer language. That means target language. Typically from high level source code to low level machine code or object code. Next is a interpreter. An interpreter is a common kind of language processor. Instead of producing target program as a translation, an interpreter appears to directly execute the operations specified in the source program on inputs supplied by the user. In contrast, an interpreter reads a statement from the input, converts it into an intermediate code, execute it, then takes the next statement in sequence. If an error occurs, an interpret stop execution and report it. Next is a assembler. An assembler translates assembly language program into machine code. The output of assembler is called as an object file, which contains a combination of machine instructions as well as the data required to place these instructions in memory. Next is a linker. Linker is a computer program that links and merge various object files together in order to make an executable file. All these files might have been compiled by separate assembler. The major task of linker is to search and locate referenced module in a program and to determine the memory location where this code will be loaded, making the program instruction to have absolute reference. Next is a loader. Loader is a part of operating system and is responsible for loading executable file into memory and execute them. It calculates the size of program and creates memory space for it. It initializes various registers to initiate execution. And last is micro. Micro is a single line abbreviation for group of instruction. With the help of macro, programmer can define a single instruction to represent block of code. I hope you understood the linker, debugger, assembler, loader, macros. Thank you.